Hey Abhilash, got to know that you are leaving CHEP. Well, when I heard it first, it was hard to believe. For me, you had become the integral part of CHEP, and we have worked together for more than 3 years, and it was a learning experience for me. Whenever we worked on any project or plan, there was something to learn from you. I never told you this in person, but today I am telling you. But change is good. Wherever you are going, do well, and you remember I am out of CHEP, you are out of CHEP. So let's hope and wish that we work together again in future. All the best.
Hi sir, best of luck for your new journey, and in that occasion I want to say that you are a good leader and my mentor. So thanks for everything sir. Best of luck.
Hi Abhilash. Just a few weeks back, you were speaking at my farewell in Mumbai office, and here I am now sharing my message for you. What a turn of events. In a way, it's good. I'm not present physically, or else maybe I could have been emotional. I'm not sure, because I don't know what kind of relationship we share, but it is definitely founded on mutual trust. I think you are one of those kind that anyone would love to have on their team, and I was lucky to have that. Most committed, result oriented, willing to take ownership and deliver results. You were always excellent in your organizing skills, and I'm sure we have seen that all in team events, safety events, and get togethers. Most important, you are a self starter. I have said before, and I will repeat it again for you, that a manager is as good as his team and its members. And my team made me successful in my career, and I'm sure you are also experiencing that. But for me, you have been a key member of this successful team. Something that I learned from you is how to manage your work and life balance. I have seen you really working hard to ensure that you meet your deadlines and deliver the commitments, and also at the same time give quality time to your family, especially your kid. Remember the brownie point discussion we used to have in cars, especially whenever we used to plan the Mahabaleshwar picnics. Out here in the cold winters, I think I miss everyone. I especially miss our morning breakfast, cutting chai, our vada pav outings, and the carpooling discussions that we used to have. I think your decision is right, and I always believed that you had excellent decision making capabilities that also made you successful. I would just say download whatever you have in your mind, typically in IT terminology, hard format your brain, and take a fresh card in cricketing terms for your new role. I'm confident you will be successful in anything that you decide to do in life. Okay, because and that goes back to the energy and commitment that you bring with you. The last point I would like to make is I have a feeling our paths are going to cross again at some stage. I don't know when and how, but I have that gut feel that we may be on the same team again. Same team again. Take care, wish you tons of luck, and see you again. Bye.
The best for your future endeavor, and I personally learned a lot from you, and always will cherish your friendship, and wish you all the best in your professional life. Take care. Bye.